Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, we have an updation from Mindtree to discuss in this video. So, they are conducting off-campus announcement on software engineering hiring. Okay, so the it is open for 2021 graduates. So, let's see in detail what are the details, eligibility criteria, everything. So, before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding all kind of videos we upload, especially these kind of hiring videos. They do have deadlines to apply. So if you could subscribe only, then you will get to know it at the right time and you'll get to apply it at the right time. Okay, so let's move on to the video. So this is for the software engineer role, and the eligibility criteria is 2021 graduates. Okay, that is belonging to BE Tech in CS, IT or circuitry branches. Okay, so it is very specific, computer science related or circuitry branches for BE Tech students. An academic cutoff of 60% or 6 CGPA in graduation with no backlogs. Then application deadline is 24th of December 4 p.m. So before 24th of December, please do try applying. If you're well aware of this, okay. If you're not aware of this, please make your registration at the earliest. Okay, don't keep it till 24th because in between you may forget something or you may forget to complete the application. Okay, so soon after you watch this video, make your application. Now here, if you see, you will get the link or the details regarding everything. So let's check in detail what will be the complete details. So it is a C1 role provided, and you can see these are the compensation details. So compensation is 4 lakhs per annum, and this is stipends during the training, that is 26K per month. Designation software engineer and is in band C1 competency. And you can see it in here, the eligibility criteria. As we discussed earlier, it's the same thing only. The extra things provided here is 10th or 12th, 6 or 60%, 6 CGPA, 60%. Then backlogs, no active backlogs as if now. That is, they haven't mentioned no backlogs at all, but they do have mentioned no active backlogs. Okay, that is as of now, there is no backlogs which is active. Now gaps, no gaps during engineering. Okay, that is before, if you have some backs too, if it is justifiable, if we have some reasons, there might be some reasons for your backlogs, right? So it's okay, but they have clearly mentioned no backlogs during engineering. That is, you should have completed the engineering with the 4 years, correct? 4 years. Okay, no extension for that. Now the eligibility streams, as mentioned, computer science related and circuitry branches. Okay, so here they have provided the hiring process. So that is, first you will have an aptitude test, then it's a coding test. So all together is all in assessments. So once you register for that, after the deadline, they'll send the mail regarding the online assessment. You have to take it as normal as the other TCS Wipro kind of. That is, you'll have the link provided and you have to go with that. There will be time and like this. Okay, all the procedures will be like that. After that, you will have a virtual interview, that is technical discussion and HR interview. So these are the two sections of hiring process. One is the online assessment and next is the interview process. So under the online assessment, you will have aptitude test and coding test. So after that, in the interview section, virtual, it's completely virtual. You have technical round as well as the HR round. Okay, so this is about the hiring process details. Now let's look at the learning program, like what you'll be doing out there. First, pre-joining programs, you will have some learning access to Microsoft and practice problems, code walkthrough by lead intervention to answer technical queries, regular technical SME webinars and leadership. Okay, so they'll give a great insight towards the industry, how it works and how you will be performing there. After that, you will have the learning program, imparted online skill specific 90-day learning plan, mix of classroom and self-learning approach. Then tracks allocated based on business demand, leads assigned from business as technical anchors. After post joining, we'll have access to 2200 plus technical and self-development courses, manager approval not required for 101 level courses, upskilling based on business, the requirement through instructor and the project shadowing and everything. Okay, so this is how you'll be performing there. So everything you'll get to know about all the functions provided. Okay, so that's about the role available. And you can see when you click on this link, that is the registration link, you will get to register. So here also they have once more defined everything accurately. You can go through that. So the deadline, once more I'm reminding you, it is on 24th of December. So before that, make sure you apply to this. Then after that, in the form you can see title, first name, last name, your mail ID, mobile number, date of birth, then university registration number, then what is your qualification. So they have clearly mentioned it is for BE, BTech. So if you are other branches too, you have an option to provide here, but you cannot be so sure that you will get the link for the online assessment, you will be considered for the selection process or not. Okay, that's it. Now, engineering streams you need to provide. So if you provide other, I think you won't be having the other option to go. That is the reason. Okay, so you can provide them. And yes, these are the priority branches, and if you provide other, you need to provide them. And if it is something related to computer science or like circuitry, they may consider, but if not, it will be less likely to consider, because in eligibility criteria they have clearly mentioned that it is for computer science and circuitry branches. Okay, now if it is for this, what it comes: engineering college name, state, then district out town, then year of passing, it is for 2021, then you will have all these details. Otherwise you won't have this because they won't consider it. Now, do you have a degree certificate or professional certificate, something? If else, you can provide that, and if you get to receive, you can give no something. So it is different details. So yes means graduation percentage in 10, then HSC, 12th standard, SLC, gap during education, then gaps up to 12th standard. If there is anything, you have to provide. So if you have gaps, then you can provide that. If you don't have, you can give like that. Which is a below Mindtree location near your hometown, can provide. As future IT professional flexibility, are you ready to relocate? That's it. Then after all that, you can give the price. You have to click on this link and accept the privacy and condition. After that, you can give. Okay, so now if it is for no, that is you don't have your certificate in hand, what will be? That is, they wanted to know it's because you are having the active area. Okay, so if you that is because if you have active backlogs too, you won't be getting the degree certificate. So that's why they have mentioned. So accordingly, you can give graduation percentage they have asked, then HSC, SLC details, then gaps, then everything. Yes, submit. Okay, so once more I'm repeating, once you submit, you will get the link after the registration deadline for the online assessment. And after online assessment, they are very prompt enough, like soon they'll reply regarding the result of online assessment to proceed further. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity. 4 lakhs per annum is the package that they are providing, and it's completely open for 2021 computer science and circuitry branches. Okay, so guys, if you have any further doubts regarding this, please do let me know in the comment section, and I would like to get the doubts which is apart from things that I've discussed in this video, because in many of my videos, even I have explained 2-3 times regarding the eligibility criteria. There are so much students who do comment up like, if I am like, I'm from this batch, am I eligible, am I eligible not? And I am making it very clear, like 2-3 times repeating the same, as well as it is clearly given in the link provided as well. So please to have a look at that. And still, if you have anything which I just missed to discuss in this video, please to let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that's it. That's all about the Mindtree. And you can see I just missed one point here, that is the note provided here. They have provided, once you apply that, invitation to attend the assessment for our off-campus hiring is at discretion of Mindtree based on internal parameters. So once you apply it, it's done. They'll compare you with their internal parameters and they send the invitations. Okay, so basically you will get the invitations most probably, because they do consider all like majority of who have applied till date, I mean so far. So it's a very good opportunity to start your career. So please to apply to the earliest. Okay, so that's all guys. So if you have any more doubts, let's meet at the comment section. So if you have any suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.